If you've painted with me before, you know I do a lot of finger painting. So I'm going to take my finger. Think of your finger no different than a brush. I loaded it with a little bit of water, and I'm picking up some of that blue aqua sky mix. If you overload your paintbrush, you're going to have a mess. So I don't want to overload my finger. I just have a thin, even layer of paint. I'm going to very gently go down the edge. Look at that. I mean, wow, this is really, really easy. If you run out of paint, you reload, don't overload, have a gentle touch. If you have a gentle, even touch, you're going to get a straight border. The angle of your finger will determine the width of the stripe. Over here, I'm just going to put a little bit. And I know I didn't get in that corner for this particular piece. I don't believe that's an issue, but I can go around this whole arrow and get a pretty nice, even border. Look at that. I mean, who can complain about that? If you go too fast or get too much paint, you're going to do what I just did. It just gets a little bit wider and a little bit sloppier. Oh my goodness. You guys will use this over and over. This is great. You can go around the edges of ornaments. The only thing you cannot do well is that inside corner. If it really bothers you, just take a little bit of a liner, touch that up. But look at that. That is just a great way to put that border on there. I hope you give this trick a try. You will be amazed at how it streamlines border edging. Be sure to watch the full-length step-by-step tutorial on my YouTube channel, Create with Chris, and be sure to subscribe so you won't miss out on upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, and remember, a little bit of paint makes a big difference.